Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ, here to introduce you to a brand new product that we have here for 18 to current M8 Softail models. These are our color matched battery covers. These are going to be available in a wide variety of OEM finishes. Here we have white sand pearl that we're going to be installing on this lowrider ST. These are a direct bolt-on OEM replacement and are going to give you just a touch of color and replace the mundane stock battery covers. Today in the shop, we're going to have Alex go over a quick installation and show just how easy these are to get on your ride. Let's get into it.
All right guys, so these battery covers are super easy to put on. They're going to come with some little rubber grommets here. You're going to reuse your OEM hardware. This guy here is a 5/32 Allen. There's only one screw on this side to pull it off and two on the other side. So go ahead, take this Allen screw out. And then what you want to do is grab it from the front here, because this is where that grommet's at. And you want to just pull it straight out. So like that. You can see the two grommets on this one. So then to install these grommets, a little trick is if you just put like a little bit of water on them, or even spit on that thing, they'll slide in there a little easier. All right, so we got both our grommets on. And what you want to do is insert these grommets onto the two posts here first. And again, just slide them straight in and reinstall your screw. You kind of feel them clip in there. That easy. All right, so on the other side here, there's two screws you're going to remove, and it's the same exact process. And again, from up here on the front of the cover, just go ahead and give it a little tug. This side only has one grommet and two screws. And then go ahead and line up your grommet with the post. Push it on, you'll feel it kind of click in place, and then go ahead and reinstall your screws.